Stick around because I'm about to show you how to make the juiciest chicken breast of your life without a marinade, without cream, and without a single dry bite. Today we're making my ultimate juicy chicken breasts, boneless, skinless, and bursting with flavor. This is the method that changed the game in my kitchen, and once you try it, you're never going back to bland. First, we start with a quick brine. Just 4 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, and if you're feeling fancy, a tablespoon of sugar to balance things out. Drop your chicken in and let it soak for 15 minutes. That's all. Not overnight, not hours, just 15 minutes. This step is like therapy for your chicken. It loosens it up, helps it hold onto moisture, and sets the stage for juiciness. Once it's brined, pat it very dry. We're talking desert dry. Then flatten it out with a meat mallet or rolling pin until it's about a ½ inch thick. Why? Because uneven chicken cooks unevenly and ain't nobody got time for overcooked edges and raw centers. Now let's season. Olive oil, garlic powder, smoked paprika, black pepper, onion powder. Rub it in like you mean it. Don't be shy. You want every bite to taste like it was made with love and a little bit of attitude. Now here's the trick that TikTok's still catching up to. The cold start sear. Put the chicken in a cold pan, no preheating, then turn the heat to medium-high. Flip every 90 seconds. This builds a golden crust and locks in those juices without shocking the meat. We're treating this bird with respect. Once it's golden on both sides, pop it into a 425-degree oven for about 7 to 10 minutes until it hits 160 degrees Fahrenheit internally. Let it rest 5 to 10 minutes. Don't skip that. Resting is when the magic happens. It's like your chicken just got out of the spa and is ready for the red carpet. Now slice into it. If you don't see juice glistening between the slices, check your pulse because something went wrong. And that crust, baby, it snaps. This isn't just chicken, it's a whole experience. Mini soul snack time. Sometimes the key to staying juicy in life is knowing when to pause, soak, and let the heat come up slow. Don't rush your season, your flavor takes time. If this made your mouth water, imagine how good it tastes. Tap that like button, subscribe for more recipes that slap, and visit kelvinskitchen.com for the full written recipe, nutrition facts, and a few bonus tips I didn't even share in the video. Now go make that juicy chicken and stop disrespecting your dinner.